This is AC from Popeye Machinery. Here is the horizontal doypack machine introduced to you. The machine will have 4 working stations: pick up, holding, open bag, filling and sealing. The machine used for flat bag or button open zipper pouch. This is the inkjet printer. It can print barcode, QR code, and so on. This machine has 4 servo motors. You can set the back size from the touchscreen directly. Now let's run the machine for you. Okay, that's all about our packing machine. If interesting, welcome to contact us directly.